Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS different border styles. In the previous chapter, the previous chapter gives the same result as this one also. So I'm going to show you how all this works quickly so you can be able to understand the meaning of this. If the border style property asks for values, the border style can be dotted, solid, double dash, or anyone can arrange it in this manner, and it also can be like this. So as you can see, so can you see you can give it 4 values, 3 values, 2 values, or 1 value. I've discussed about this in our CSS border style property playlist. So you can check our border style property chapter in our playlist in the border CSS border section playlist. So just check our CSS border playlist for you to understand all this deeply. The border style property is used in the example above. However, it also works with border width and border color. So I'm going to explain what all this means. So back to our document. We're having this in our previous where we discussed about the borders. So and now we use different border styles. So let me delete this everything at once so you can be able to understand what I mean. And I save this. Now reload. Can you see we're having this, right? And now say we need border styles. Let's say I want border border style border style. I can now specify solid. Let me wait. I need the name of all this. Let me comment this one out because I may not remember some of the names. So let's break our page like this so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. You can do like this. Border style can have solid. If you write solid right here and close it, save your document, you are going to see. Can you see everything is having solid border, right? Let's now specify two styles. Let's say solid solid dashed. Save your document. You are going to see what will happen. Can you see? Top is having solid, the left and the right is having dashed. Let's give it a rich so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about here. Can you see the left and right is now having rich border? Can you see when I scroll up and down? But the top and bottom is having solid, as you can see. And also you can specify another border also. Let's give dotted. When we specify dotted border, you're going to see what will happen. At the bottom is now having dotted border. And also we can specify another border again. I've used, okay, we can use dashed now. Dashed. Now let's use dashed border. When we use dashed border, reload. Can you see the left is now having dashed? Can you see we are able to specify different border styles? The top is having border solid, right is having rich, bottom is having dotted border, and the left side of our panel right here is having dashed border. You can check our previous tutorial on border styles property in full details so you can be able to understand how this border style property is working. So I think we have to stop here for now. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thanks.